Hello everyone. Today we will be learning how to make responsive footer. So we are in our index.html. So let us link the Bootstrap first. So I'll go to my Chrome here. I'll go to Bootstrap. First website I'll go. I'll copy this first. Go to my index and I'll paste here. I'll take the second link as well. I'll copy this. Go to my index and I'll be pasting it here. So we have to link the font awesome link as well. So I have the font awesome link here. This I'll copy. This I'll give in the description and I'll be pasting it just below here. So let me take a footer here. Footer tag. Let me go to my CSS first here. Here I'll be taking margin. Let it be 0. Padding also let it be 0. Box sizing let it be border box. Body. Display let me take flex. So footer I need below, so I'll justify content first. Justify content flex end. Align items let it be center. Minimum height I'll keep 100. We put height. Flex direction I'll take. Flex direction. Column. Background I'll take. ED. So let me work on my footer. So we will be having totally 3 columns. So first I will do for first column. Let me take container plus container first. Class equals to container. Let me use CSS for the footer as well first. Footer position let me keep relative. Width 100%. Height I'll keep auto. Padding let me keep 50 pixel and 100. Background I'll keep dark. Display let it be flex. Justify content let it be space between. Flex wrap let it be. So let me check. Yeah, this has come here. So let me go again to my index.html. I'll take a div again here, and I'll name it as about us, and I'll be taking a p tag. Let me take a dummy text, paste it here. Let me name it here. Let me take a class here. About us. Let me go to my style. Let me go here. Footer dot container display flex wrap. We take wrap. Justify content, space between, flex direction. Let me take row. Again I'll do footer, inside it container, in the section margin right 30 pixel. So let me style again. Here I have come. So I'll give footer dot container, in that about us, width let it be 40%. So we can say it's occupying only 40% here, not completely like earlier. So let me change the color and all, font and all. I'll go again to my CSS. Again footer container, I'll take footer dot container h2. I'll take color, position let it be relative, margin bottom I'll take let it be 15 pixel, font weight let it be 500. So I need to underline this text. So again I'll come footer dot container h2. Before I'll take content, position I'll take absolute, bottom let me take -5 pixel, width let me take 50 pixel, left 0, height 2 pixel, background orange red let it be. So let me check. Yes, we can see it has come. So I'll work on this now. And now directly I'll copy this. P tag, color. We can see the color has been changed now. Now I need some icons here. So font awesome has been already linked here. So let me use the icon here. Well, class equals to class name, I'll give icon. Li 8. Let me use Facebook icon first. This all comes from font awesome. FA Facebook. So 4 times I need. 2, 3, 4. So Twitter, Instagram and Skype I need. Here it will be Twitter. Here I'll put Instagram. And here I'll put Skype. So let me go here. Now we can see we have to design this and remove this all. So let me come to my CSS. Here I'll come. Dot icon I'll use first. Display flex I'll use. Margin top I'll use 20 pixel. Margin left I'll use 33 pixel. Dot icon li list style none. By this those dots will disappear. Let me check. We can see dots has been disappeared. Now this I have to design in style. Dot icon li display inline width 40 pixel, height 40 pixel, background display flex, justify content center, text decoration I'll keep none, align items center, margin right 10 pixel, border radius 20 pixel. So let me check. Okay, this has come. We have to put the hover effect and all. So dot icon on hover background and we need the color first. On hover it will be crimson. Fonts will be white in color. Font size I will keep, let it be 20 pixels. Let me check now. Okay, we can see on hover it is becoming different color. So here one and here one we need now. Next thing I need is quick links. So for the convenience I will comment it second. First let me take a div. I'll take h2 quick links. Here let me take class. Quick links. So default on h2 style will be applied. We can see it has been applied. Let me take another list again. About us. href equals to, so 6 times I need. So I'll change the names. Join us. Privacy and policy. Here let it be careers. Here let it be terms and conditions. Terms and conditions. And last, contact us. Contact us. So we can see we have to design this now. Let me go to my CSS. So first I will use dot quick links because it is a class. Here we can see quick links in the section. Position I will take relative. Width let it be 25%. So let me remove those dots first. Dot quick links. List style none will remove the dots. You can see this dots has been disappeared. Now let me design this. Dot with links. Color. Text decoration none. Margin bottom let it be 10 pixel. Display inline block let it be. So let me check. Yeah, we can see this is come. We need a hover effect as well for this. So simply I'll copy this and and give a hover effect. Let it be black, and we can see on hover color has been changing. So we need a third one. So I'll comment for third section. So this is will be contact us. All the contact information will be there in this section. So let me take div class equals to contact, and I'll take h2 contact information. Default style will be applied. Let me check now. Yes, default style got applied. Now here we need all the contact information. So let me take another unordered list. ul li. Let me take span. Let me take a location marker. Equals to, this comes from font awesome, map. Let me give another span. Here I'll write location. Let me check. Yeah, we have to do this and design as well. Remove this dot and everything. Let me copy this only first. Phone I need. So here I'll make phone. So let me use a p1 tag. A href equals to, let me put the number, or let me use br tag for the next line. Write it here itself. Let me copy this, paste it here, and change the number. We need an email ID as well. Let me take another list. Let me take span. A class equal to ready. Let me check. Okay. So let me go here. Take a anchor tag href equals to. Let me write my email ID. So let me give a class. Info. First let me remove the dots. So dot contact list li list style I'll keep none. So we can see all the dots have been disappeared. So going back again, I'll use here dot contact, which is the class name, and I'll use mark. First I'll use width. Let me use 35%, 60, and margin right 0, let it be. So let me use this info class dot info position. Let me give relative. So we need to style the list as well. Dot info align display. Let it be flex. Margin bottom I'll give. Margin bottom, let it be 16 pixel. So I'll come back to here. So I'll use dot info. Let me design the span. Color FFF. Margin left, let it be 10 pixel. Justify content, space between I'll keep. So we can see here this has been applied, and we have to do for this and this as well. So dot info justify content, space between, color FFF. Text decoration non, margin left 10 pixel, and let me put the hover effects for this. On hover, color black, let it be. And for this also I need a hover. Let me check. Yes, we can see this is working properly. So now I need a copyright here. So I will go to my HTML. This I need below footer. So I'll use div class equals to copyright. Let me use a p tag, copyright. So for copyright symbol I have to use and 160 to render the copyright symbol. 2022 all rights reserved. Hello everyone, today we will be learning how to make. So we can see copyright has been come now. Now I have to design this. So let me design the copyright. I'll go to my CSS, and here I'll use the class dot copyright, which is the class name. Let me check the class name. Yes, copyright. So let me keep width 100%, background let me keep crimson, padding I'll keep some 8 pixel, 100 pixel, text align let it be center, color let me check now. Yeah, copyright has been come now. So our footer looks beautifully now. So now next thing remaining is making this responsive. So let me inspect first and see how it appears in mobile screen. Okay, on responsive it appears like this, but we don't need like this actually. So let me make this responsive. So to make responsive we have to use media query. So here I'll use it media max width 991 pixel. First let me take footer itself. Footer padding 40 pixel. Now I'll use container dot container flex direction column dot container dot section margin right 0, margin bottom I'll use somewhere around 40 pixel. So we can see it has come little high. Now again going here, keeping the widths dot container dot section dot about us dot with links dot contact width 100% will keep. So here we need to use the commas, and we can see yeah this is occupying perfectly. Again moving footer for p tag display inline block width I'll use 50 pixel, font size inherit. Here I'll use dot icon margin left minus 40 pixel, and for copyright padding 8 pixel and 40 pixel. Yes, we can see here it has been responsive. So thanks for watching this video.